Did you know your thought can shape your reality in just a few simple steps? What if I told you that everything you've ever wanted is already waiting for you, and the only thing standing between you and your dreams is knowing how to effortlessly call them in? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to make manifestation feel natural, easy, and incredibly powerful. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into effortless manifestation, concept that's transforming lives around the world. Whether you want to attract abundance, love, success, or inner peace, manifestation isn't just some mystical concept reserved for spiritual gurus. It's a practical tool that anyone can use to achieve their personal goals and desires. And the best part? It doesn't have to feel like hard work. But here's the thing, most people struggle with manifestation. And I totally get it because I've been there too. You set your intentions, you visualize, maybe you even create a vision board, but then nothing happens. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and you start to wonder if this whole manifestation thing is even real. The problem is that doubt creeps in. You start questioning whether you're doing it right, whether you're worthy of what you're asking for, or whether the universe is even listening. Then there's impatience. We live in a world of instant gratification, and when our desires don't show up on our timeline, we get frustrated and give up. And let's not forget about those sneaky negative beliefs hiding in our subconscious. Maybe you've been told that money doesn't grow on trees, that you have to struggle to succeed, or that good things only happen to other people. These limiting beliefs act like invisible barriers, blocking your manifestations from coming through no matter how hard you try. So if you've ever felt stuck, disappointed, or like manifestation just doesn't work for you, trust me, you're not alone. And more importantly, it's not your fault. The good news is that there's a better way. Let me share some game-changing techniques and mindset shifts that will make manifestation feel effortless. First, let's talk about visualization, but not the way you might think. Instead of just picturing what you want, I want you to feel it. Close your eyes and imagine you already have your desire. What does it feel like in your body? What emotions are present? Joy? Relief? Excitement? That feeling is your vibrational frequency, and it's the language the universe speaks. Next, let's discuss gratitude, and this is huge. When you practice gratitude for what you already have, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, and watch how quickly your energy shifts from lack to abundance. Another key practice is living in the end. This means acting, thinking, and feeling as if your desire is already yours. If you're manifesting financial abundance, stop saying I want to be wealthy and start saying I am wealthy. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So when you consistently embody the version of yourself who already has what you want, you become a magnet for those experiences. And here's something people often overlook: detachment. Yes, you need to set your intention clearly, but then you need to let it go. Trust that the universe has your back and is orchestrating everything behind the scenes. When you're constantly checking for results or feeling desperate, you're actually pushing your desires away. Now, here's the core secret to effortless manifestation that changed everything for me, and I know it will for you too. Are you ready? It's this: belief and alignment. You can visualize all day long. You can repeat affirmations until you're blue in the face. But if deep down you don't truly believe that you're worthy of your desires or that they're possible for you, they won't manifest. Your external reality is simply a reflection of your internal state. So the real work isn't out there, it's in here, in your mind and in your heart. Belief means knowing with absolute certainty that what you want is already yours. It's not hoping, it's not wishing, it's knowing. Think about it like this. When you order something online, you don't sit there obsessing over whether it's going to arrive, right? You place the order, you get the confirmation, and you know it's on its way. That's the level of certainty you need with your manifestations. You've placed your order with the universe, and now you trust it's being delivered. And alignment. This is where most people get tripped up. Alignment means being in harmony with your desires on every level, mentally, emotionally, and energetically. If you want love but you're constantly criticizing yourself and thinking you're not good enough, you're out of alignment. If you want abundance but you're constantly worried about bills and operating from a scarcity mindset, you're out of alignment. If you want success, but you're still holding on to the identity of someone who always fails, You're out of alignment. Here's a powerful example. Let's say you want to manifest your dream relationship. You do your visualizations. You write in your manifestation journal. You say your affirmations. But then you go through your day complaining about being single, stalking your ex on social media, and telling your friends that all the good ones are taken. Do you see the disconnect? Your actions and inner dialogue are completely contradicting your desire. You're sending mixed signals to the universe, and mixed signals create mixed results or no results at all. The magic happens when you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the reality you want to create. This means you need to become the person who already has what you want. How does that version of you think? How do they feel? How do they show up in the world? What decisions do they make? You need to step into that identity now, not later when your manifestation shows up. When you believe you're worthy and, really believe it in your bones, and you align your entire being with your desires, manifestation becomes inevitable. It's no longer something you're trying to force or chase. After, it becomes something that flows to you naturally, effortlessly, because you've become a vibrational match for it. This is where people experience those miracle moments, the unexpected job offer that's even better than what they asked for, the chance encounter with a soulmate in the most random place, the sudden financial windfall that seems to come out of nowhere. These aren't accidents or luck. They're the result of perfect alignment between who you are and what you desire. And here's the beautiful part. When you're truly in alignment, manifestation feels good. It doesn't feel like struggle or force. It feels like coming home to yourself. You'll notice synchronicities everywhere. Doors will open that you didn't even know existed, and opportunities will find you. That's how you know you're on the right path. So ask yourself right now, do you truly believe you're worthy of what you're asking for? Are your daily thoughts, emotions, and actions aligned with your desires? Because once you master belief and alignment, everything changes. You stop being a student of manifestation and you become a master of your reality. So let's recap what we've covered today. Manifestation doesn't have to be complicated or exhausting. By releasing doubt and impatience, practicing visualization with feeling, cultivating daily gratitude, living in the end, and most importantly, building unshakable belief while staying in alignment with your desires, you can manifest anything you want. Remember, you're not chasing your dreams, you're becoming the person who naturally attracts them. Manifestation can be easy and attainable when you have the right mindset. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're manifesting right now? And what's your biggest challenge with it? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more manifestation tips and personal growth content. Until next time, keep believing, keep aligning, and watch your reality transform.